Hello everyone, welcome to our channel that is 19th Education. So, as you all know, we are going with the fraction series. So, today is our topic about the rules for the simplification of fraction. This means how can you solve with the fractions, okay? Before proceeding with this topic, let me give you a little example. Like we have numbers, okay? We have integer numbers or whole numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3. So we can perform the various operations like add, subtract, multiply, okay, multiplication or the division, right? So with these numbers, with this integer number, it is easy for us to perform these operations. Whereas for the fractional number, can we perform these operations? Can we perform this operation? Yes or no? So we can perform these operations, but before performing this operation, we need to keep in mind with some of the rules. So for the fractions also, we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division. Okay. With fractions also we can perform the same operations, but before performing we need to keep in mind some simplification rule, as the fractional number is in the form of numerator and denominator. Okay, let's proceed with the rules. So this is our first rule, that is adding or subtracting a fraction number. For example, see, when we can add or subtract a fraction number or any other number when we have two numbers, okay? So my example is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3, okay? So I have to perform the addition of these two numbers, okay? Or the subtraction of these two numbers, 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3. So these are two different questions. One is based on addition, second is on subtraction. So the rule number 1 is adding or subtracting should have a common denominator. So we need to keep in mind, whenever we are going to add two fraction number, we need to check their denominator. If they are equal, we can simply add it. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. We can simply add it as 2 plus 4 by 3. Because we have common denominator, we will take 1. Okay, then 2 plus 3 is 6 by 3. Okay, for if in case we have different, for example, we have different numerators. Okay, for example, we have 2 here. So in that case, we need to take the LCM. Okay, we need to take the LCM. Okay, for different denominator, we have to take the LCM and make it a common one and then add it. Okay, for example, the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So we need to check how many times it goes. First you write 2 as it is into 3 comes in how many times? 2 times. That is 3 2s are 6. So 2 should be like this. Then plus, we need to check how many times 6 goes into 3 times. So 4 into 3. So 2 2s are 4 plus 4 3s are 12. 12 by 6. That means 16 by 6. So our answer is 16 by 6. So adding or subtracting a denominator for the like fraction. See, what I told in my previous video, the fraction which have denominators are called like fraction. For the like fraction, adding or subtracting, we can do it directly with their by checking just their denominator. If they are different, we need to take the LCM, then we need to perform the simplification. Okay, this is an example of addition. We'll see with the example of subtraction. See, here also we have like fractions. Okay, see, both denominators are same, so we can directly perform the subtraction. See, 2 minus 4. As we have a common denominator, we can take it as it is. 3 minus 2. Okay, after simplification, we got this answer. Suppose in this case also, the denominators are differ. How can we solve? Okay, 2. Same way, we need to take the LCM. So I'm taking the LCM and we got 6. We need to check 3 comes how many times? First you write the numerator as it is into 3 2s are 6. 2 minus, then again 4, write as it is, 2 3s are 6. For one who don't know how to perform LCM, I'll teach you in my coming videos. Okay, 2 2s are 4, or you can ask me in the comment section. I'll clear your doubts. 4 3s are 12, then 6. Okay, after cancellation we got minus 8 by 6. Okay, I hope everybody understood the rules. Here, if denominator different, we need to take LCM, right? We need to take LCM and perform simplification as it is, like we did for a common denominator. With common denominator. I hope everybody understood with the clear examples. If anybody have doubt, they can ask me in the comment section. So let's go with the next part. So here it is multiplication. So multiplication is damn simple, irrespective of denominator and numerator. We won't check irrespective. While adding or subtracting, we need to check the denominator part, but here we don't consider whatever the number is, we can just multiply it. Example, 2 by 3 into 4 by 2. You can, as it is, you can multiply 2 into 4 by 3 into 2. You can even here we did multiplication, we are doing simplification. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, cancel. Answer is 4 by 3. If you don't want to cancel it, you cannot cancel it. Then you will get 4 2s are 8 by 3 2s are 6. Again you need to cancel it and you will get the same answer. Like 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So anyway, we can multiply the two fraction irrespective of their numerator and denominator. See, you need to multiply the numerators, you need to multiply the denominators. Understood? I hope you understood. If in case you have doubt, please ask me in the comment section. Next is the division. Division part is also simple, but just a little careful you need to be. See, I am taking an example. 1 by 2 is one fraction. Then we have second fraction as 2 by 3. So how we can solve it? Just reciprocal the number and multiply. So first step is reciprocal. Just reciprocal the given fractions. Okay, 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. See, reciprocal and multiply. you need to apply two rules for division. You need to reciprocal it, then perform the multiplication. See, 1 3s are 3, 2 2s are 4. Simple. Okay, these are the four basic rules that we can perform on a fraction. The first one is adding or subtracting. For adding and subtracting, we go for the common denominator. If in case denominators are not common, we will take the LCM and make the denominator common, then perform the simplification. For multiplication, we can perform the multiplication of both numerator and denominator respectively. Okay, we won't check whether it is a like term or whether it is like fraction or unlike fraction or any kind of fraction. We can simply perform the multiplication. In the same division, we just need to perform one extra step, that is we need to just reciprocate. Here we have 2 by 3. Once we reciprocate the another fraction, this is the first fraction, this is the second fraction. We are keeping first fraction as it is, we are just reciprocating the second fraction and we are multiplying it. So this gives the division value. Okay. Thank you everyone for today's video. For more update, please subscribe to our channel, like and share with your friends, and spread the knowledge as much as you can. And in case if you have any doubt, please comment us, and thank you.